Hello everyone, before we go into details please like my video and subscribe. Guys, now I will draw you the points of resistance and support. These days herald a very important uptrend. And please follow the numbers carefully, I will add the numbers below for your better understanding. Fell by 3.90% on Wednesday. Following on from a 2.20% decline on Tuesday, Dogecoin ended the day at $0.3078. A mixed start to the day saw Doge rise to an early morning intraday high $0.3215 before hitting reverse. Falling well short of the first major resistance level at $0.3284, Dogecoin slid to a mid-afternoon intraday low $0.3051. Dogecoin fell through the first major support level at $0.3143 and the second major support level at $0.3084. Finding late afternoon support, Dogecoin broke back through the major support levels to revisit $0.315 levels before a second sell-off. Dogecoin fell back through the first and second major support levels to end the day at sub-$0.3080 levels. For the day ahead, Dogecoin would need to move through the $0.3115 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.3178 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Dogecoin to break out from $0.3150 levels. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and resistance at 32 cents would likely cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, Dogecoin could test resistance at 33 cents before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at $0.3279. Failure to move through the $0.3115 pivot would bring the first major support level at $0.3014 into play. Barring another extended sell-off, however, Dogecoin should steer clear of the 62% fib of $0.2882. The second major support level at $0.2951 should limit the downside. A sustained fall through the 62% fib of $0.2882 would form a near-term bearish trend from 8th May's swing high $0.7427. At the time of writing, Dogecoin was up by 1.12% to $0.3113. A bullish start to the day saw Dogecoin rise from an early morning low $0.3074 to a high $0.3114. These days, you should be very careful, friends, it can peak at any time. It's only a matter of time before it goes into an upward trend. Stay tuned. Doge left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. Doge has been trading below the 20-day EMA, 34 cents, for the past few days, but the bears have not been able to sink the price below the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. This suggests a lack of sellers at lower levels. However, the 20-day EMA is sloping down and the RSI is in the negative territory, indicating the path of least resistance is to the downside. The bears will make one more attempt to sink and sustain the price below the neckline. If they succeed, the Doge-USDT pair could start its downward journey to the critical support at 21 cents and then to the 200-day SMA, 14 cents. This negative view will invalidate if the bulls push and sustain the price above the 20-day EMA. Even if you buy longer now, after 3 months you will double at least. Thanks for listening to me. See you next the video.